Hello my aviation friends, this will be last video from my trip through the FL Technics facilities, and on this one we'll take a look in the hangar in Vilnius. And on the end you will see the tool which I saw first time in my life, so let's take a look at it. So guys, we finally get in the Vilnius hangar, and with me is Vildas here, and he will tell us a little bit about this place because he is one of the people who know. So please tell us where we are and what are you doing here in this exact place.
So now you are here in Vilnius, Hangar, FL Technics. So I am responsible for airbus A320 family line here. So what we have here, we have here 4 lines for the
so 4 bays.
For bays,
okay. You can have a
we are doing from the smallest check to the bigger one. So it's from C, from A checks to T checks, for example.
So basically all letter checks, right?
Yes, all letter checks fully. So, landing gear changes, engine changes, and so on, so on. So now what we have, we have approvals for the Boeing 737 Classic, 737 next generation.
Behind us,
Airbus A320 family, fully Zeto and Neo. And I hope that this summer we'll do training for the 737 MAX.
Okay. So we will expand. Nice. Okay. What else you can tell us? How many people you have here in the base, or how many teams you have?
Here in Vilnius we have 2 bases, and here we are working in shifts, 3 on, 3 off, and in one shift we have about 40 people. And so totally we have here only production about 160.
160 people.
Yeah, this hangar built in 2007. Here it's not very old.
It's also new.
Yeah, we have other hangar this one, and this hangar built as I remember in 1964. But it's fully
refurbished.
Rebuilt.
Okay.
So later we can go and check.
Yeah, we can take a look.
Yeah, looks good. So here in this summer we did reconciliation. That means that it's now we have put 2 lines in other side and 2 lines here. So next summer it's planned to replace fully floor and other some in the future to replace in one side the gates, to put the 2 biggest aircrafts, for example Airbus 321. Maybe you saw somewhere that
of course
to cover the how to say it, to
tail out,
and to cover this, and small hangar, movable small hangar will be
I saw it on some places
with heating,
which can't really fit inside of the hangar, so you make like tent, permanent tent which can be installed on the back part of the plane.
It's also heating and so on, so on. So it's only in the plans, but I think we'll do this.
It's future, of course. So we move to the second part of the hangar, right? It's empty at the moment, but at least you can see how it looks when there is no aircraft. And actually you can park here 2 aircrafts, right?
Yes, 2 small aircrafts.
220s or I think 737.
Yeah, 737 Classic, so Airbus 220, so it's okay.
Okay. And you can see the platforms which we mentioned even before. Those are adjustable platforms for the wings.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, it's very comfortable to work in this place. So.
But it's a nice place. Okay, let's move to the hangar number 3. So we move to the 3rd section of the hangar, and please tell us what you are doing here in this place.
Yeah, here as you see that renovation is done summertime. So here we are doing maintenance for smaller aircraft, bombardier family, Embraers. So looks very nice. We have 4 lines here.
And again, C checks, whatever is required. Yeah, it's smaller. Probably Airbus will not gonna fit here.
No, but Boeing we can fit.
Boeing we can fit?
Yes,
okay.
of course. So, later I will show you some special tool, how we are doing this.
Okay, interesting. Okay, about the tool which we're talking about.
Yeah, the tool is special tool, yeah, because here in this hangar, previous we did maintenance for the Boeing 737 Classic, 2 lines, and here the hangar space is too small to put inside, but we have a very good tool for this. It's special for Boeing. We put nose landing gear here, it's some special tool, and we are lifting forward area fully, and tail is going near the ground. It's like 10 centimeters, and tail going down. And here we are putting.
So basically,
and after that we are releasing, and
you're basically jacking the airplane, jacking the nose up.
Yeah, fully nose jack up.
Okay.
With this tool. Yeah, it's very heavy, this tool, but it's approved by Boeing. Yeah, so.
Okay, interesting.
It's interesting. Yeah. It's electrically powered and hydraulic operated. Yeah. So this.
And basically, you just hook it behind the tow truck.
Tow truck, yeah, really.
And you pull it inside of the hangar.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Okay.
It's very nice. Yeah.
This was video about Vilnius hangar. I would really like to know what you think about this video, so please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about this place, as always you will find the link in the description below, and of course email address where you can ask your questions. I would like to apologize for the quality, because from time to time it was not really perfect, but I had very limited time and I was not able to review the footage, so everything what you saw was basically all what I got. So I will try to improve quality next time. And also I would like to say big thanks to each and every person which you saw on the videos, and of course big thanks to the people who was behind this project, and without them it will be not possible, so thank you very much. Also, I would like to say big thanks to all of you that you watch all these videos, and hope you saw something what you didn't saw somewhere else, and that was actually my plan, to show you the insights from what we are doing in aviation, and hopefully I will have a chance to show you much more of these things. And until next time, I would like to say big thanks for your time, and see you soon. Bye.